Going everybody, this is Sean here with the Scale Model Car Guy channel, and I just come with you with just a real quick update on the Coronavirus 500 Buddy Baker 73 Dodge Charger. I'm getting a little bit done since the last time, but not a lot. That's the box. It's 1/16 scale. You can see where I've gotten some of this cage, getting the bars done, getting some of the fuel cell. Here's the motor, the Hemi orange carburetor, and there's the body. I don't know if you can see, I still got more of the aluminum or the around here to do and stuff, and I masked that off and got it there. But here's the wheels, black. There's the valve covers. I'm doing them in black. I don't know if you can see that too good or not, but the headers are in white. It's come along. We got the seat painted over there. Just got to do the seat belts on it. There's the hood and some of the body parts. There's more of the parts right here, and I dulled down the chrome tree. So it's coming along. This is a quick update. Thank you. If you like what I'm doing, please like, share, and subscribe.